Misha is an awesome dog. She is so fun-loving, and she's great. She really just wants to try to play and really wants to look around and kind of see everything that's available. She is very bright and just loves to, you know, be around people and to be around other animals.
Misha, come on. Come on, Mish. Misha, come on. Let's go. Come on, Mish. Come on.
So Misha is an 8-year-old spayed female pit bull that presented with approximately a large, I would say almost 8-pound tumor on the left side of her head. It was causing a significant amount of problems when it came to her mobility, primarily because the mass was so large. It was also starting to cause more problems with her left eye and the ability for her to be able to see because of it stretching her skin and causing the eye to close down more. I was not 100% sure that we were actually going to be able to remove the mass without removing her ear as well, whether or not it was the entire ear or part of it. But then another portion that we were concerned about were that there's some important nerves that run near the ear that actually go forward and control the eye that were also in the area. And so that was also a major concern, was maybe losing the function of her, the ability for her to blink. Finally, I would say the main concern was bleeding. There's some major vessels, and when tumors get that large, the blood vessels are very, very large, and so it can cause a lot of bleeding. Because the mass was so large, what we ended up doing is we started at the back portion of the mass, or the mass that was farthest away from her nose. I made an incision in the skin in order to be able to save some of the skin to be able to close down where the mass was. I needed to be able to close her skin down. Primarily what I did at that point was dissected under the mass and just went piece by piece and inch by inch to be able to make sure that I was not dissecting anything that was important, such as her ear or those nerves I was speaking of. We were lucky that for her, you know, during surgery, we were able to save the ear. There was minimal bleeding, and actually function to her eye is completely normal at this point. She has the quality of life of an amazing dog, whereas before she was extremely tired and unable to move around as she wanted, and now she can be a normal dog and she's living an amazing life.
Misha, you gonna show her on your new collar?
Overall, it makes me feel amazing. This was a fantastic case, and to be able to be presented with a case like this, and such a challenging one at that, but having the support of not only my technicians but my associate doctors and the entire BluePearl, I would say it's been amazing, and it's so great to know that she's doing so well and that we were able to help her and give her this best, you know, possible outcome that she's had.
The surgery that Dr. Kaufman did was truly amazing, and it gave Misha a chance at life that she never would have had before, and now she gets to live a long and healthy, happy life with us as a family. We just want to say thank you to Dr. Kaufman for giving Misha a chance and for giving us the chance to love her.
Thank you, Dr. Kaufman.